What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking. I'm Joey. Around here, we're all about making simple meals for busy families, so we're not spending all day in the kitchen or running around after these kids. Today, I got another one packed absolutely full of flavor. We're making Pineapple Teriyaki Pork Chops over jasmine coconut rice with an Asian Medley mix. This meal is going to look like something you order out of a restaurant, but it's incredibly simple to throw together for an easy weeknight meal. So grab your apron, grab a chair, let's start cooking. Dad, take it away. All right, everybody, we're all set up. We're ready to roll. We got the camera view for the food. So with our pork chops, my goal, my plan, theoretically, was to grill them. But it's raining. It's been raining all day. Not complaining. Not complaining, trust me. Not complaining. So I got my pork chops here, and what we want to do is we're going to marinate them in this Kinder's sauce. This is a Marinade teriyaki with garlic and ginger. Sounds pretty tasty. So with my pork chops, spray this marinade right on in. These are going to marinate for about 30 minutes. You want to marinate them longer, marinate it up to about 4 hours. While our pork chops marinate, we're going to start on our Asian Medley blend. This snap peas, corn, carrots, broccoli. Sound pretty good for this. And this is $1.93 for this bag. So I'm going to add it to a bowl here. Looks like it's majority of carrots with 3 pieces of corn. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water into a saute pan. So we got our vegetables up there. I'm going to put a pot on it and steam these. That lid fits. Now for my coconut rice. I use 2 packs. So it says we crush it out. Carrot. Carrot. Add 2 tablespoons of water and heat. Skillet. Maybe 1 bag was enough. I got lunch tomorrow. A little bit of water. To heat. Okay. Like I said, it's raining. It's been one of those days where honestly I've been super lazy. Not even gonna lie. Haven't been doing too much. So after I get up and cook, I'm gonna use my Chefman indoor smokeless grill. It says smokeless, but it's not necessarily smokeless. It's less smoke. Smoke less. It's less smoke. There's a dyslexic person that probably made it like me, that when I seen less smoke, and I was like, right there. I'm gonna crank this up to medium-high heat. Turn my pan off, get it ready. I'm gonna get my pineapple juice, and I'm gonna add some of the pineapple juice to my rice. Marinade here. For those pineapple. And over here with my rice. Grill up some pineapples. So there's still some pineapples in there and some pineapple juice, so I'm gonna give me some pineapple juice. Alrighty. So, pork chops. Got everything else over there going. You can see the smoke going different ways. I got some fans interactive so I don't send off the smoke alarms. I have done that before. My pork chops have been marinating for a little while. Drop that bad boy on down. Put some salt. Some pepper. Some garlic. And some all-purpose seasoning. Flip on over. Preheat my oven to 350 just to make sure I cook pork all the way through. I don't want to overdo it. If I was cooking outside of my charcoal, I'd move it to the cooler side. That's beside the point. Rice. Check out that rice. Smells good. So let's go and plate up. This thing ready. 30 minutes. Easy, simple, delicious. An hour altogether if you marinate only for 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can still make it fancy. All right, y'all, look at that. A grilled pineapple teriyaki with coconut rice and Asian Medley Vegetables. This looks absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to cut into this. That pork chop is cooked. We'll try it without the rice to start with. Get it with the pineapple. And some of that coconut rice. That's good. Y'all, simple and easy. Not a lot of time. Really didn't take long. So y'all, with that, I'm going to plate up the rest of this food to feed these kiddos, to feed Jerry. If you enjoyed this video, I have tons of other content. I have cake videos, cookie videos, dinner videos, breakfast videos, all sorts. They're in the library for you to check out. If you will, I greatly appreciate it. Join the family table. Hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Crush that thumbs up button and drop me a comment below. I love you. Catch you in the next one. I hope y'all have a fantastic week. Peace.